Hello YouTube, hey, it's me again. This time I'm doing something really dumb and you're all gonna get upset, so I'm doing it anyway. They've been giving out these stupid things, which I'll let you read. It's for that thing going around anyway, but anyway, since in the name of having fun, since everyone else does stuff, I'm gonna open it up and show you what's in it. Apparently these things aren't worth the shit they were printed on, kind of like the news media. So anyway, you get this wonderful little, you get the little swabby things. You get, rapid testing, which apparently doesn't fucking work where it should. Oh, and then the best part is you get these instructions right here, which tell you how to do it. See? So yeah, on the best part is, where is it? Where's the, oh yeah, dispose of the used swab in accordance with the appropriate biohazard waste disposal protocol. Like, what the fuck protocol is that? 5 of them. So here's this. Well, here's the little box. You get the little stand. Get the little crack vials, which you can't see here. You get the fancy little juice that goes in it. Let me put the camera down. I know the whole world's gonna be upset when I do this, so if you don't like it, go shove a swab up your ass. And what are we gonna test it on? Well, I'm not testing it. I'm not shoving this shit up my nose. I'm supposed to put this in here. Grab one of these little suckers here, right? Put this back here, make sure it stays nice and sterile, because for the last 2 years, they've been telling us how, this isn't science. Oh, we're not scientists. We don't know what we're doing. Nobody knows about science. Nobody knows anything about science. And then they spend, I don't know, probably a couple of $1 million giving away science kits to all these people they called down and said weren't scientists. So, to all the people you said weren't scientists, I think just, straight up go fuck yourself is in order. But, in the name of science, you got to enjoy this whole, 2 years. So why not, right? Put that back in there. One of these out, there's 5 of these. Well, yeah. Wasting human resources. Well, if you think I'm wasting this, how many millions of dollars they waste on it when they could have fed some people? So now apparently you got to take this little gadget here and rip it open like so, right? And you pour it in this little thing here. Squirt it all in there. Make sure it's all in there. Standing up. Then, in the name of science, I'm going to see if my Evaporust has COVID. So we take this swab right here. Swab. Open up. This is the Evaporust bucket. And we're going to swab the Evaporust. Because you never know when your Evaporust gets COVID. We'll swirl it around in there really good. There we go. And you're supposed to stick that in there like that. There we go. Make sure all the juicy juice is on there. There we go. Well, proper bio-waste disposal. There you go. Put the little juice thing on here. Oh yeah, where's the little, oh yeah, this thing. Oh, look at that. How many people got pregnant this year with COVID? I don't know. So anyway, let's see if our Evaporust is going to kill us. With 2 drops, thing it is. 1. Oh, here goes. 2 drops. There we go. Take all this shit off of here. Bio-waste disposal. Bio-waste disposal. Come on, McCracken. What's it doing? It's going. It's going. Put this back in the box. You never know. I mean, hey, it might get COVID. Might not. Oh, what's wrong with it? Oh, what's that? It's like blood red. That's neat. Look at that. Look, I don't know if you can see it. It's not a line yet. Oh, what is that? I don't know. Not sure. Still going. Maybe we should put some more in there. I don't know. Let's see. Where's that thing? Where'd it go? Yeah, it's at the bottom. Yeah, let's see. Do we put enough drops in there? Oh, look at that, it's going. I'll put a drop in there. There we go. Ahoy, mateys. Let's see. Does my Evaporust have COVID? I don't know. Let's check. Oh yeah, we gotta get the fancy little chart here, make sure. Let's see. Ooh, here's the result interpretation results. See the little lines on there? On the bottom? The top line's negative, the bottom line's invalid, and 2 lines are positive. Woo! Guess what, people? Probably wait long enough, but look at that. I don't know if you can see this. Hold on. I don't know. I can't really tell. Can't see the damn camera angle. Let's turn the light off. Let's check this out. Look, folks. My COVID test is negative. Evaporust for the win. Evaporust has lots of antibodies, and folks, Evaporust cannot get COVID. So I say y'all should use Evaporust. That's thebomb.com. Well, I think you have to wait like 15 minutes, but yeah, it's all good there. We're all good. I just wasted $50 bazillion in research. Anyway, that's it for today. That was my least science experiment. Also, thanks for watching. If you don't like this video and you think this was a waste, simply, go watch something else. This was just done for entertainment purposes. No test kits were harmed. Nobody died over this. People didn't starve. Nothing. It was just for fun. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.